This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, May 10th. Stock index futures higher now for a sixth consecutive day as traders apparently look more toward the still low global interest rate environment and corporate earnings coming in for the most part better than anticipated, and a bit less toward these geopolitical problems that we have had. So that's an encouraging sign for the indices. Moving over to the currencies, the dollar index under some pressure now with the consumer price index here in the U.S. coming in a little weaker than expected. Also, most other currencies trading higher, basically for the same reason, the weak CPI number, but some additional pressure coming into the British pound. This after news that the Bank of England at their policy meeting voted 7-2 to keep interest rates unchanged at 50 basis points. So it does now appear that the Bank of England will not be able to raise interest rates anytime soon, possibly later this year, near the end of this year or into 2019. Also, we have the Canadian dollar and the Australian firming up with the crude oil prices advancing. Interest rate markets a little bit higher as the CPI, as I mentioned, coming in on the weak side, being supportive to the credit markets. Also, still looking for a rate hike at the June meeting. Financial futures markets predicting there is almost a 100% chance that the Fed will raise at the June 13th meeting. Also, there's a 90% probability that the Fed will raise again at the December meeting. So that would mean 2 more rate hikes. Many analysts are looking for 3 more, some at the Fed looking for 3 more hikes. I'm still going to have to go with only 2 more rate increases from the Fed, especially with the Eurozone a bit on the weak side with recent economic reports there. So look for only 2 more increases in interest rates from the Fed this year. Also, the gold market breaking out above a congestion pattern, so technically the gold market looking a bit better with today's gains showing up after a 5 or 6 day consolidation period. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.